Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Since I'm super busy this month, I can't do the typical daily vlog updates for vlogmas season, so you'll see my experiences during the holidays all in one vlog. Here you can see Afra and I finally hung out after months of planning to do so.
Mine is better. Way too much of a raspberry taste for me. Way too fruity. This is for my ears only, so you won't be able to see this. So stay tuned. Watch Denise Sleepy Dance vlog. Wait, is that your handle name? It is, right? Yeah. Sleepy Dance vlog.
To be honest, I don't really like coffee academics since the coffee is too strong for me and it's really pricey compared to its alternatives. The chocolate cake was not that bad though. Whenever we film this kind of stuff, I feel less nervous when I'm like with someone else.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
If I were to do this on my own, I would So I'm on the way to meet up Joanna and Lisa for hot pot, and I'm running late. We're gonna eat in Langham Place. Joanna, Lisa, and I went out to eat in this Taiwanese eat-all-you-can hot pot. One thing about me is that I'm always down for hot pot. It's just so fun to eat with family and friends, especially during winter. So we grabbed our ingredients, which I thought was rather limited here, especially for the vegetables. But the restaurant had their own side dishes like Taiwanese sausages and fried chicken.
And let's see how bad it is.
Hot pot is seriously so fun to eat with friends since it gives you time to cook, which in turn gives you time to gossip.
Not really paid for it. We paid
Finally.
We're like, alright, take chocolate.
It's good?
Wanna try? Oh, good. It's good?
I'm gonna get this. Yeah, so, I think I'll get half. It's weird, but I find ice cream even more delicious during the cold weather. Since we were going to Kelly's birthday party later that night, Lisa needed some film rolls to get some pretty pictures. So we're on our way to Kelly's Tram
birthday party. Yeah.
Oh, okay, go. Oh my gosh, is that Tram?
Like, it's eye-catching.
It looks like it's from Disneyland. Hi.
Leave a comment. What's it called? Something that's great. I think. Oh my god. Go ahead. Go ahead. So pretty.
Oh my gosh.
I thought it was gonna be like a regular tram, but then it's not a regular tram.
Whoa. Kelly invited us to her tram party, which was such an experience.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be in your vlog.
Wait. 1.
3, 2, 1.
Wind blows. Checking out his intro. Vibing to his
Happy birthday, Kelly. We love you. Mwah!
The tram itself was already so gorgeous, and to tour around the city in it with fun people was on another level.
I'm still trying to window. I say I don't care, but I really do. I want you to please like me. They say not to swear, but I swear it's true. I want you to please like me. Please like me. I'm just being real. It's cool if you don't feel it. Please like me. Oh my god! Why are you crying?
This party felt like being in the movie Perks of Being a Wallflower, where the main character, Charlie, stands through the sunroof of the car and delivers his iconic line, "We are infinite."
I feel like a teenager living my dreams.
I guess you can take a look. Wait, no, there's like film over there. It's not part of it.
Oh my god, that's like the film for you.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So how do we feel?
Milkshake's good.
Oh yeah, this is a chocolate
I
milkshake.
want to say thank you to Kelly for organizing. All our friends were amazing. They made me feel so... They hyped me so much that I love it.
It was like good girl energy. Lately, I've been feeling like making things. So I want to do something like crafty, artsy stuff. So I'm planning to make a ring for my mom because I made this ring for her and then it broke. I learned my lesson and I'm gonna make a thicker ring. This time I'm gonna make her a gingerbread man ring. So it's cute and it's in theme with the season. I know I said this before, but I really want to try making actual gingerbread man cookies one day. But before that, I decided to make it out of clay. I also like making accessories out of clay because it gives me so much more creative freedom. You guys should definitely try it. On the 23rd, my mom and I flew out to the Philippines to celebrate Christmas. We had a morning flight, so unfortunately I couldn't film much since I was just so exhausted. On the 24th, we first grabbed drinks from our favorite coffee place, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Afterwards, we visited family and exchanged Christmas gifts. I like this.
Very serious, huh? Computing. Yeah. Bitaw.
This year, we decided to try something different, so my aunt organized a series of games and prizes to hype everyone up. So while eating traditional Filipino food that we craved, I also got to enjoy a hearty and competitive environment as well.
Hooray! 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 Hooray!
What's that?
Hey, it's nice.
I'm skinny! Oh my god!
No, you can wear that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and had a lovely Christmas. Happy holidays, everyone!